Shwmae a chroeso i FC Cymru. World Cup fever has captured Wales, and today we're at Cymru Stadium for the World Cup Diversity Festival. Local schools have been invited to take part, each representing a different country, with the aim of using football to educate and inform. Let's go see what it's all about. So Jacob, you're the guy that's made all this happen this afternoon here in Cymru Stadium. Can you tell us what's going on?
So we've got a World Cup Diversity Festival, so each school get drawn a team at random, country to represent, and the guys just come in and play a festival, playing each other as countries and having a chance to learn about diversity and inclusion based on the World Cup.
We were delighted to be invited by Jacob. It's a diversity tournament, so we've brought along girls and boys from year 4, 5 and 6. We were chosen to become Serbia, and we've made lots of flags and posters, and we've done a bit of research about the country. So yeah, we're just really excited to be here. We all know the importance of sport and the positive impact that it has on children. You never know, we might have the next Gareth Bale here today. So yeah, we've done, like I said, we've done lots of research. We've spent some time looking at the countries, all the other countries that are involved. It's a big topic going on in our school. We're having lots of celebrations. We were involved in the Jamboree last week, so we've all learned Ymyrhyd, and they sing it beautifully. So we're just really proud to be at the World Cup after 64 long years.
We've come as Argentina today, so during the week we've been looking at different players, where they're playing, so we've managed to get some of our geography in. They've prepared, children prepared some artwork, some flags, so it's been nice. We've been able to get some work done in lunchtimes and keep the children going and learning about the World Cup.
So joining me now is Mace the Great. What do you make of this event this afternoon?
I think it's great. I think it's good to see all the kids out having fun, and it's all for a good cause.
And how important is it for children to learn about other countries and other cultures? Of course, today they're representing different countries, and that's what they've done to prepare for this event.
The reason I think it's important because a lot of racism stems from just being uninformed or misinformed. So getting the right education brings more like understanding to other cultures and different ways of life and stuff.
And I've heard during the World Cup you'll be doing something like that, part of Cymru's culture squad. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so I've been doing a lot really. I'll be going to New York. I'll be showcasing in New York, representing for Wales over there. So we've got like a showcase in Manhattan and a showcase in Brooklyn. Right, I am Mace the Great. I'm joined by USA football team today, guys, okay? So, guys, I've heard you've been doing a bit of research on USA and you're representing them today. So, can you tell me something that you've learned about USA?
So we were doing like loads of FAWales, and we learned that USA is the second most largest country in the whole entire world.
Impressive, impressive. And how has the day been for you lot today?
Really fun.
Okay, how many games have you played?
8 or 9.
8 or 9 games. How many games have you won?
3.
That's okay, that's okay. You know, any loss is a lesson, innit? So you learn from it, and you've won 3, so that's good stuff.
We're saying all the time with about diversity and inclusion how we need to do more with education. So we've literally taken that and brought in No Boundaries today, show racism the red card, just to educate the guys really about the importance of terminology, unconscious bias, white privilege, and just treating people how they want to be treated really, more than anything. If we can educate from a young age, obviously the pupils then understand about it's not a bad thing being different. You know, people are different, and that's what makes the world go round. So the importance of these workshops and these events like this educate the kids through sport, which means that they find it fun as well, so it doesn't feel like they're learning. So yeah, I think moving forward, I think it'll be something that we look to do more of off the back of major events.
Egg with a powerful bear. Egg with a powerful
What a wonderful afternoon here at Cymru Stadium, and it's great to see the incredible work being done here and throughout Wales. Great to see Mace the Great as well getting involved, and good luck to him in New York. Also, thank you to Jacob and his team for organising this wonderful event. Keep an eye out for more World Cup content across social media. Hwyl am y tro.